Whenever I get ready for long nights like tonight is gonna be, I always just do it really comfortable. So I'm in a sweatshirt, my hair is up. I do have mascara on because I left the house this morning. Round of applause. Got my water. And we are ready to go. This freaking studio is a mess. So I'm gonna use some Tarte Shape Tape to prime my eyes. And a beauty blender. My poor lashes, since I have mascara on, are gonna be looking so bad by the end of this. But, itchy nose. I'm wearing false lashes anyway, what's new? And I didn't do my brows first, I just noticed that, but whatever. Just gonna set my lids super fast with some more Mercier translucent powder. I think I say this every time, but if you use a cream to prime your eyes, make sure you set it. I recently just got these and I used them in a first impressions video that isn't up yet, but it will be. This is the Sleek Vintage Romance palette. And I'm gonna take this brown shade over here on any sort of fluffy brush. This is a MAC 217. I just put blue translucent powder everywhere. We're just going to put this throughout our crease. I actually really like these little palettes. Only thing that I don't like about them is I got them in a pack of 2, so I got this palette, which looks like this. You don't get many matte shades. I couldn't use them on their own, which was a little frustrating. The quality of these for the price you pay is so nice. I will link all of the makeup that I use in this video down below. I've been filming so much makeup lately that I haven't had time to wash my makeup brushes, and they really need to get washed. I don't know what I'm wearing yet, so I'm gonna be careful and keep the eyes like neutral colors. That way I can wear whatever I choose. I actually bought an outfit from Forever 21 Plus online. It was supposed to be here today, and now it's not coming until January 9th. What? So I was a little upset, but it is what it is, I guess. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, taking this shade right here. I'm gonna work that into the crease. I don't care how messy I am on the outside because I'm just going to clean it up later. Holy nuggets, what just happened? That brush was not stiff enough for that. Now I'm going to take this brown shade, deepen up the outer parts of our eye. We're moving into scary territory, folks. I'm taking the black right here. I'm like peekabooing. Peekaboo, I see you. Putting it on the very, 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 very outer corners. And then using the brown shades to blend that out. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean it up. So this is where having acrylic nails comes in handy, people. We are going to do our lids. For that, I'm using the Crystal Glitter from NYX. We're just going to use this to brighten up our lid a bit. And it's got really cool like holographic glitter in it, so I'm excited about it. And I'm going to carve out my lid. I'm going to use their glitter primer as well. So now I'm just going to pick up that glitter and pack it on. I will clean up the edges and stuff later. So I'm just taking one of the brushes we used earlier. I went ahead and popped on my lashes and liner and brows. There are the iconic light lashes, and then I actually went back to an OG liner today for some reason. I think because I needed a liner that was going to be able to get over this glitter that I'm wearing, and for that I used the Maybelline Line Stiletto. Forgot how much I liked this. I need to buy a new one of these, to be honest. For brows, I'm just using my Anastasia Brow Pomade in Taupe. I also primed my skin, and it didn't film that either, so I used the L'Oreal Infallible Glow Lock Primer. I have been absolutely loving loving this, and it might be my, even though I've only had it for about a month or so, it might be my favorite drugstore primer. I put on a little bit of the, I put the cap back on this, but I put on a little bit of the Professional Pro Primer. So I'm gonna see if this color is okay. Oh yeah. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter, and this would actually be light on me, which would be actually great because it oxidizes. Yep, we're gonna go with this one. So I'm gonna take this in the back of my hand. This is super, super full coverage. I probably matched more people to this foundation than any other foundation while I worked at Ulta. Look at the coverage on that. But it also was probably our most returned foundation just to get a different shade because of how bad it oxidizes. Everyone always tells me because I don't have bad acne that I don't need a full coverage foundation. To that I'm like, excuse you, what? I need full coverage just as much as the next girl. I have super, super bad rosacea. I will take full coverage every day of the week. Okay, thanks. Concealer for me is quite obvious, Tarte Shape Tape. We are not messing around today. We must set our face. We need a lot of powder for this. So I'm just taking a beauty blender and we're gonna bake. I'm trying to use as many drugstore products as I can. So for bronzer, I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Bronze It Powder. Can't get it open. Come help me. This is in the shade 1 Light Clair because I am a pale ass bitch. This is a huge pan, like the size of my palm. Semi-likey. So freaking good. Hush! I'm filming over here! How disrespectful. I'm gonna mix 2 blushes actually, but first I'm gonna dust off the original bake. I'm also gonna use this, which I've never used before. This is the Anastasia Blush Kit in the color Radiant. It's a cute little blush palette. I want to use a little bit of this blush right here. I really, really like this. I usually do like Anastasia's blushes. I have a couple of their trios. This has been my favorite highlighting palette for a while now. This is the NARS Bordeaux Plage palette, and I just mix, that's the wrong side. I just mix these 2 shades right here for my highlighter. So I'm just gonna use this Sigma F35. I'm also gonna take this glitter silver liner from Tarte, and I'm just gonna put this on like the inner 4th of my eye. Like that. We need some more mascara. This is the Tarte Maneater. I could be wrong, but I think this stuff's on sale on Ulta or Sephora, one of the 2. So whenever I do bottom mascara, I always take a spoolie of some sorts and spoolie them out like so. So that is the eyes completed. Actually guys, I'm gonna add to my highlighter because I want to try this palette so bad. Like these are the first couple things that I have bought from Sleek, and I liked those eyeshadow palettes, so hopefully this doesn't disappoint. Oh my gosh, stuff is so hard to get out of the packaging though. This is the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette. I feel like I've heard a ton of people talk about this. Whoa! You get like a dinky brush. I don't want that. And I'm gonna use this bottom one. Thumbs up. This is definitely going like top drawer to keep using. Okay, and then for lips, I'm gonna start with the MAC Ruby Woo lip liner. Okay, I actually am giving up on that. I don't want to do that anymore. So I do have the Patrick Woo lipstick. Patrick Woo, you guys all know. Patrick Starr's collaboration, or Fenty Beauty.